90% of traders lose because they don't understand risk. And even the ones that do understand it don't follow it. I've sat through $5,000 losses. And the only reason I've been a profitable futures trader for the last half decade is because of the proven set of rules I use to manage risk. So in this video, I'll break down what the 90% rule is and why it's critical to your success, the exact set of rules I use to protect my capital and stay profitable, and the number one mindset shift that will save your account. So let's talk about the 90% rule. Trading without risk management is like sitting down in the bathroom and realizing there's only one square of toilet paper left. Now you might get lucky, but odds are you're in trouble. And smart traders don't wait until their account is empty to make adjustments. They plan ahead, so one bad trade can't wipe them out. And listen, JP Morgan can afford a bidet. We can't, so we better have a roll ready. And here's how the 90% rule works. When price gets within 90% of your target, you move your stop to break even. So let's say I'm trading the S&P futures, the ES, and my target is 12 points. That's 48 ticks. So when price gets within 4.8 ticks of my target, I move my stop. I've been one tick away from a $600 win that's flipped to a $300 loss. So one tick cost me $900. That's all it took. The 90% rule prevents that. It keeps you safe, keeps you in the game, and most importantly, it keeps your trading clean. At the end of the day, the traders who survive are the ones who are managing risk. And the 90% rule is just one part of it. Protecting your capital takes more than just one rule. It takes a proven rule book. Now here's my set of rules I use every day that you can copy for yourself. Rule number 1, never trade more than 1 to 2% of your account in any given trade. Rule number 2, the weekend freeze. Never hold trades over the weekend. Rule number 3, the Friday tight play. On Fridays, we only take quick, high probability trades and we avoid slow markets like the currencies altogether. Rule number 4, no trading on FOMC days. Rule number 5, if news events are scheduled, wait to trade until after, not during. Rule number 6, automate your setup. Use ATM automation, consistent stop sizes, and if you're trading more than one contract, move to break even after your first target hits. Rule number 7, the 90% rule. When price gets within 90% of your target, move your stop to break even. Rule number 8, this is specifically important for new traders and helps to prevent revenge trading. If you trade multiple markets like the ES, gold, and oil, limit yourself to one trade per market per day. Rule number 9, no borrowed accounts. Don't borrow money to start a trading account. Rule number 10, don't learn and use trading as a means to pay off debt. Rule number 11, only trade if you're consistently free and caught up on high interest debts. Rule number 12, only trade if your long-term financial goals are on track, and under no circumstances should you trade your retirement account. Copy these rules into your trading and you'll protect your capital like a pro. But a rulebook alone won't keep you profitable. Without the right mindset, even the best rules will fail. And that's exactly what I want to show you next. Here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me. Make losses cheap, not rare. And a lot of new traders do the exact opposite. They fight to avoid losses at all costs and hold on to bad trades because they just don't want to be wrong. So they average down, they double down, and they pray that the market turn in their favor. And when it doesn't, they erase months of progress in a single trade. But the truth is, you can't avoid losses. They're part of the game. And the difference between traders who survive and those who don't is simple. Losers try to make losses rare. Winners make them cheap. Every time you follow your stop, you cut your losses at $200 instead of $2,000, you're proving you get it, and you're paying for information, not punishment. So stop asking yourself, how do I avoid losses? And start asking, how do I make my losses so small that they never threaten my survival? When you think that way, risk management stops being about fear and it starts being about freedom. The 90% rule protects your trades, your rulebook protects your account, and your mindset protects your future. Remember, make losses cheap, not rare, and you'll stay in this game long enough to win.